Due to this sniffle, I did not do anything yesterday apart from sit under a heated blanket and watch telly and feel sorry for myself. As you can see, it's dark outside. It's Monday morning. I didn't pick the camera up anymore yesterday. Due to this sniffle, I did not do anything yesterday apart from sit under a heated blanket and watch telly and feel sorry for myself. However, life goes on. I'm not injected this morning, obviously. Well, not obviously, but feeling like this, I can't be doing with side effects on top of this. It'll finish me off. And like I say, I've got too much on at the minute. I don't know when I'm going to jab yet. I don't feel like anything, so I'm thinking I'm going to just try and fast to get this out of me. Try and keep myself hydrated. And let's see if I survive the day, eh? Let's get on the road and start a new week.